All right.
People are saying Firebird, Thunderbird. There's been birds.
There's a couple
but there's
birds.
no bird right now. I need a bird right now.
All right, here's your bird.
Oh, wow.
Hey, only on CNN Ultra. You don't have to do it again, Will. The size of an eagle is crazy. I guess they're saying it's big. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, look at this.
Oh, that beak.
Man, don't. And those eyes?
Oh.
Those eyes are no messing.
No.
There will be no messing. God.
So scary.
Bald eagle we're looking at here. And I guess it's in some sort of rehab or something. It's being held in a towel. Those talons are going to mess you up too. I don't know. You guys ever seen that thing where they take a golden eagle and they're hunting foxes, I believe?
No.
In, where is it? Tibet or somewhere over there. Mongolia, maybe?
Okay.
They're actually, or wolves. They're hunting wolves with a golden eagle. It's strong enough to actually grab one by the back and lift it up.
Wow.
That's what you're talking about.
Wow.
Golden eagle hunting wolf. There you go.
Golden eagle is the largest wingspan
It's gonna be
bird, I think, in the world. Maybe.
Whoa, I didn't realize how big these birds are.
The golden eagle. It's a lot bigger than the bald, though. Like you're talking. Double.
It's bigger than the bald. It's a it's a very.
Look at that thing.
Whoa, you weren't kidding.
But it's not the biggest bird in the world, I don't think. I think you have some sort of condor or. You want a challenge on that?
Nah,
It looks
we'll
like
check
the
it out
biggest
later.
like flying bird.
I'll check it out after the show.
Like, well, I guess it depends if we're talking weight, wingspan, as well as a number of factors there. But all right, Will, let's get to the bottom of it because Ryan put the challenge out there. Let's get to the bottom of it. Ryan put the challenge out there.
You said the different
biggest bird in the world.
attributes, and I'm going wingspan. I'm saying wingspan.
Largest
yeah.
wingspan is what he wants.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to pull up an ostrich or something like that.
No.
That thing's a bit of a beast. There we go.
What is
Condor, yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, it's they might be extinct now. What's 24-foot wingspan?
Oh, are they like flying over the water for like most of their life? That's why they have
a lot of the time, yeah. What else do you have in there? Yeah, click on that one because the graph is bigger on the left.
I stand corrected.
So the top one is some type of condor. You have the albatross, which was the other one I was thinking. A turkey vulture is pretty good. You can see the bald eagle over on the right. I don't know why they don't just put a golden eagle on this.
Yeah, it's got to be the golden. It's not bald.
Yeah, I don't know what they're... that one might have one. That one might have one. So yeah, there's the albatross, 11.8 feet. The great white pelican, 11.8. There's a couple condors. There's the golden eagle, 8.2 feet.
I'm not even close. Not even close.
It's definitely the largest eagle.
Okay.
So
thank you.
And the scariest bird of the bunch, probably maybe outside some of those vultures, if you happen to be dead or injured. But the golden eagle is terrifying in the sense that it's a predator. It kills animals in order to live. The vultures mostly pick up the roadkill.
Yeah.
The dead creatures. And obviously those seabirds are doing what they do, probably
out in the ocean.
Problem for fish and so forth. Not so much wolves. It's really crazy the way they train them, by the way. Using saliva to come back to them. They spit in each other's mouth. It's really intense. Whoa. You can watch the documentary. They have to get them as babies, these golden eagles, in order to train them to hunt these
the wolves.
Foxes, whatever it is that they're doing.
You did a deep dive on this, eh? Late night YouTube?
No, as usual.
Okay.
As usual.
Hey.
I mean, this is the stuff that the people here on CNN Ultra need to know. So I can't let them down. Hey,
That's great.